everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Robinhood account's password. If you want to update to a new password on Robinhood for the sake of your security, then it is quite easy. So let's jump right in. Open up a web browser and go to the search box and type in robinhood.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your robinhood.com account by entering your credentials, and after you're logged in, click on the account button at the top right hand corner. This will then open up an expanded menu. Click on the settings button and then under settings, make sure that you're inside the security and privacy tab. Under security, you'll be able to see a password option. Click the edit password button and then enter your current password in the current password text box. After you type in your current password, move on to the next field and type in your new password you're trying to update to. Now, confirm the new password that you just typed in on the next field as well, just to ensure that you are typing in the correct one. And finally, click the Save button in order to change your password for Robinhood. Next time you log into your account, you'll need to type in the new password that you just updated to. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again soon on the next episode. Goodbye till then.